Rail electrification not only decarbonises the railway, it has passenger benefits. Electric trains are quicker, more reliable, better journeys for passengers.
Rail Live is the largest outdoor rail exhibition in the UK. It brings together thousands of rail professionals from across the industry to explore the latest innovation. One of those innovations is our Composite Mast, which is a project we led on with the Department for Transport and Innovate UK.
The Image Composite Mast project aims to lower the cost of electrification. Lighter masts means smaller foundations, means more productivity on site. We also want to lower the embedded carbon in masts, essentially lowering the energy used in manufacturing. All of these make electrification more affordable and more deliverable.
The mast has been designed by Cranfield University and manufactured by Prodrive Composites. The mast has been installed by PodTrak and the foundation has been installed by Van Elle Foundations. The mast is 20% of the weight of a regular steel mast and 25% of the embedded carbon.
In the past, electrification was essentially steel masts and copper wires. Now it's an interconnected ecosystem of smart infrastructure. To put that in layman's terms, essentially that means rather than people going on track to maintain the structures, it can be done remotely. It makes structures more reliable. Overall, again, this reduces the costs of electrification, but also means passengers' journeys are more reliable and there's less line closures to carry out maintenance.